If you're getting ready to take the West Virginia Remodeling and Repair Contractor exam and you want to pass it on your first try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down what this license actually covers, the exact reference books you're allowed to use, key strategies to avoid common mistakes, and how to study smarter, not longer. Both exams are open book, but don't let that fool you. Most people fail because they don't know how to use their books efficiently. Let's fix that. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the West Virginia Remodeling and Repair Contractor exam, stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all West Virginia prep materials towards the end of this short video. A West Virginia Remodeling and Repair Contractor is licensed to the West Virginia Contractor Licensing Board with exams developed and administered by Prove. So what can they do? It's going to include general remodeling and repairs, 2+ trades, projects under $40,000. So the scope is capped at projects where the total cost of the undertaking does not exceed $40,000, and rough and finished carpentry work. So to get licensed as a remodeling and repair contractor, you have to pass 2 separate exams. The business and law exam is 50 questions and you have 3 hours for that. It's going to cover business organization, contracts, estimating and bidding, financial management, labor law, licensing, lien law, project management and risk management, OSHA safety, and tax law. The remodeling and repair exam is 50 questions and you have 3 hours as well. That's going to cover planning and estimating, site work, concrete, masonry, carpentry, roofing, siding, insulation, doors, windows, stairs, finishes, and safety. Carpentry is the single largest content area, 10 of the 50 questions. Both exams are open book and computer-based, administered by Probe at testing centers statewide, and you need a 70% passing score at each exam. The remodeling and repair exam reference list is short, and one book dominates it. It's the International Residential Code, and that's going to be 58% of the exam's questions that come from it. The study guide for residential carpentry includes 36%, and masonry and site work for residential contractor has 6% of the questions. With the IRC carrying well over half the exam, that's where the bulk of your tabbing and highlighting should go. But all books may be highlighted and tabbed with permanent tabs. The business and law exam is completely separate, with 100% of its questions coming from a single book, the West Virginia Business and Law Study Guide for Contractors 6th edition. So what's the #1 reason contractors fail? It's not a lack of knowledge, it's no exam strategy. Most candidates know the trade, but they fail because they don't know how to navigate their books fast enough. Here's how to study the right way. You're going to want to tab and highlight those code books. You're going to have realistic practice questions in a simulated environment and have time study routine. If your exam is coming out, practice under real-time pressure and train your hands to find answers automatically. That's how first-time passers study. No 2 contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget for your West Virginia Remodeling and Repair Contractor exam. We've got the online course, which is going to walk you through every exam topic step by step. The book package is going to give you the official reference materials approved for the exam. The Highlight and Tab book set is going to give you those officially licensed materials as well. We're going to highlight and tab them for you ready to go for exam day. The book rental gives you the professionally highlight and tab books with access to the online course as well, and you'll be able to return those and get a deposit refund at the end. The ultimate package combines the book rental with a full year of online course access, and it's going to give you live training, including live and recorded classes, instructor-led. And we're going to do the application for you. And finally, the one package. We're going to set up your business for you on top of everything that we just talked about. Use code WV10RR checkout for 10% off any of these packages. If you set up your prep correctly and train for speed, passing the West Virginia Remodeling and Repair Contractor exam the first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, proven system to get through both exams faster, check out One Exam Prep resources below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more contractor licensing videos, and we'll see you in the